Hello everyone, welcome to Tech World YouTube channels. Today we are going to see about how to install SQL Management Studio in Windows machine. Let's open my browser. I have Edge browser, so just I am opening Edge browser and just I am typing free download SQL Server 2022. So lot of URLs will be there. So now I am going to Microsoft product. So SQL Server Management Studio. Just I am downloading that URL link. It will go to Microsoft page, and here lot of option will be there, SQL Server, Azure, everything. So now I'm going to try to download free version. So I'm trying to download developer version. So just click download now. The file is downloaded. So just open that. So it will ask permission. So just give yes. So application is trying to install in our machine. So now there are three options are there: basics, customs, and download media. So basics will be basic structure of basic information will be there. So we are choosing customs. So lot of option will be there in the custom. And here which drive this software is going to download, like install. So if you want to browse some other drive, so we can select that drive. So now I'm going to install the software in C drive and install. So now system is trying to install the software. Now we see it's showing like installed, but we can check SQL Management Studio is installed in our machine or not. So SQL Management Studio. So SQL Management Studio icon is not showing. So now let's install that option. To installation, we need to go to installation. Here we can see install SQL Management Tools. So we can click the tools. It will show download SSMS, available language, everything. So we can download SSMS page. So we can click this URL. So SSMS setup is downloading. It's having 485 MB file size. It will take a little bit time, like 1 or 2 minutes. Let's wait for that download. So now it's going to end. Yeah, now it's downloaded. Now I'm opening that file. So it's showing which path it's the SQL Management Studio is downloaded and installing. So just I am select it is in C drive. So just I am installing that page. It is asking the permission. It is installing supporting packages details and all. Okay, setup is completed. Let's check the setup is showing or not. So setup is not showing. Let's check SQL Management Studio is installed on our machine and it's working, it's fine or not. Application is showing. So let's check we can able to log in, we can able to connect without any issue or not. So server name is showing my name as a default, so just I'm trying to connect. If you want whatever name we can enter, but we are not configure anything, so it will throw an error. So let me check. So it's throwing an error. It's showing like a cannot connect to Jagdishan. So we can troubleshoot this issue. We can close this thing. So we can open this and we can try to install this new SQL Server standalone installation. Add features on existing. So the specific free edition is developer. We can go to next. So it's a terms and condition. We can accept the license terms and we can click that next. And this one Microsoft Office security related things, so we can put it next. And we can go to next. We don't have anything. So here Azure extension for SQL Server, we have any Azure login, we can then we can enter all the details. We don't have then we can uncheck that one and we need to click next. And here what are the services will be there in the SQL management, we can click all the things. Server replication, machine learning, all the things if you want we can select. These are required services to connect to SQL Management Studio. If you want a scale out master, scale out worker, you can check it. Otherwise, we can skip this thing. I'm selecting all the thing. So go to next. So this is the instant ID for SQL Server. Next. This one we can go to next. This one we can skip. Here, if you want to enter manual user ID and password, we can put it in the password details. And the account is SE. This is the admin account. And if you want to enter new password, I want to every time I need to connect to SQL Server. So if you want password means we can enter the password and confirm password. Otherwise, I'm using Windows authentication. We can select here, and we need to add our machine name using current add current user, so that machine name is added here. And we need to go to next. Here tabular mode or multi-dimensional mode, whatever mode you want, we can add. Specifically with administrative permission for analysis service, you can add your name. If you want to add multiple roles, we can add, go to add and remove under the and all other options. And we can go to next. This is our port number 8391. Create new SSL certificate, use existing SSL certificate, whatever. This is our certificate. We can go to next. We can go to next. Install. Now installation is completed, showing like status is installed successful. So now I am going to close this one. Now I can see SQL. So SQL configuration manager is enabled, import and export data, everything will be there. Now I'm going to open Management Studio. Now I'm trying to connect with Windows authentication. Now it's connected. The database all are showing. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for more info, more details to learn SQL. Thank you.